Today you're going to take your test for identifying direct and indirect objects. Be sure to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. The directions for the first part are to put a V above the verb in each sentence. If there's a helping verb, put an H above that one. Then you need to circle the direct object, underline the indirect object in each sentence. The example is, he had given his girlfriend some flowers. Given is the verb, that's the action. Had is a helping verb. What did he give? He gave flowers. That's a direct object. Who did he give them to? He gave them to girlfriend. Remember, the indirect object is usually, it's always between the verb and the direct object. Here we go. Number 1. The menu gives users several options for printing their document. Number 2. Alexander showed Stephen his new bicycle. Number 3. Ryan read his class the newspaper article. Number 4. Sales jobs can pay good people high salaries. Number 5. My brother taught me division. Number 6. Richard gave Angela a birthday card. Number 7. I gave Christopher a new Lego set. Number 8. I gave Zachary a ride to work. Now I have no idea why that line is showing up there. It's something the printer is wigging out with and putting on the pages. So that line means nothing right there between numbers 8 and 9. Number 9. Get yourself a nice haircut before next Monday. Number 10. Shelby had played Connor a song on the violin. Number 11. Paul's internship helped land him a full-time position. Number 12. Madison had written her grandfather a letter. Number 13. I showed my mom my new school supplies. 14. Christopher read the little boy a book. 15. The police chief had given a news reporter his statement. Okay, page 2, which may or may not actually be page 1, but anyway. The directions on this side of the page. Underline the verbs, and on the line at the end of the sentence, tell whether they are transitive or intransitive. Circle the direct object if they are transitive. Remember, for a verb to be transitive, it has to have a direct object. Number 1. Amanda kicked Joe under the table. Number 2. I paid the bill last week. Number 3. James went to the campus cafe for a bowl of chicken soup. Number 4. We arrived at the classroom door with only 2 seconds to spare. Number 5. Susan complained bitterly. Number 6. Rosa always eats before going to school. Number 7. Scarlett wants a proposal from Rhett. Number 8. Alice wrote a love poem on yellow paper. Again, through number 9, that line doesn't mean anything. It's something the printer put there. Number 9. During cross-country practice, Damien runs over hills, through the field, and across the river. Number 10. Bobby eats mashed potatoes drenched in gravy. Number 11. Okay, I'm not sure if I read number 10, so I'm just going to read it again. Number 10. Bobby eats mashed potatoes drenched in gravy. Number 11. Duchess cleans the dirty milk bowls with her tongue. Number 12. You must leave the conditioner in your hair for 30 minutes. Number 13. To escape the scorching sun, the cats lie in the shade under the big tree.